How to turn on data saver mode on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on data saver mode on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find settings. Click on it and here you will find this one, media. Click on it. Now all you need to do is just click here, this one, turn it on, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.